So on the final day of the year, many people make resolutions, but Scripture invites us into something deeper. In Joshua 4, after the people crossed the Jordan, God instructs them to pick up 12 stones from the riverbed and to build a memorial. Now these stones were not decoration, they were formation. They were tangible reminders of God's goodness, His presence and power. So why stones? Because we often forget. We forget joy faster than pain. We forget answered prayers faster than disappointments. We forget God's kindness when the next challenge comes. And so God teaches His people to remember intentionally. So as you close out 2025, this is your invitation too. What stones do you want to take with you into the new year? What stories of grace carried you? What friendship sustained you? What insight changed you? And what moment reminded you that you were not alone? Now, these stones don't erase the pain of the year, but they do reframe it. They anchor the truth that God was faithful in the river, and He will be faithful in the land ahead. So tonight, before the noise and the countdown and the fireworks start, pause long enough to gather your stones. Ask God to show you one thing He did in your life this year that you must not forget. Maybe you'd like to write it down and keep it close where you can see it in January. What story of God's faithfulness do you want to carry into the new year that begins tonight?